All right, Downton Abbey, the theme. So this is not going to be the whole suite. I'm just going to take what here in the intro to the show. That'll be what I'll show you. That's basically what everybody wants to hear and play anyway. So I'm just doing the theme as you hear it in the show. All right, here we go. Downton Abbey. Okay, there you have it, folks. Downton Abbey. So I'm going to be doing the first half of this on YouTube. The rest of it on our website. It's free to try it. The music's going to be there too. I have an arrangement of it there. You can download it and use the music to help you out too. Of course, subscribe. Comments always are welcome. And let's start. Now, the left hand is so repetitive that let's just get that out of the way. Let's just put that in our pocket. Learn the left. And we can focus on the jumpy right hand afterwards. So we have this, right? That's sort of the kernel of the whole thing. It's just 5 and 2, and then a thumb. And it just seesaws back and forth, right? So 3 of these seesaws per bar. 1, 2, 3. There's your first bar. 1, 2, 3. There's your second bar. 1, 2, 3. And there's your third bar. So we have 3 bars that are exactly the same. And of course, you stitch all that together. No pausing with the pedal. 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Like that. The next 2 bars are basically the same, but now instead of a pinky down here, you're going to have a 4th finger on F. We have this. See? Basically the same thing. It's a cakewalk, right? 1, 2. The next 2 bars are back to this. 1, 2. The next 2 bars are back to this. 2. The next 2 bars, unsurprisingly, are this, and then this, and this. It's all the same. Right? So the only reason we have 3 of these in the beginning is because the first bar is kind of an introductory pickup bar that brings us into the actual theme proper. So we have this pickup, and then it begins. You know what I mean? Okay, so get that down. Just get used to this technique. To play it quick is a bit tiresome, literally, like it'll make you tired. So try and relax your wrist as you do this, you know? That seesaw, you know, try and kind of find a little bit of a rotation in your wrist, just to kind of help the fingers come down when you have these 2. You don't want to tense up like this and just play, you know, there's too many notes, man. You're going to get tired. So nice and easy, comfortable, and just kind of rock back and forth slowly until you feel comfortable with that specific kind of technique. And then you can speed it up, you know. All right, that's basically it for the left for a while. So let's have a look at the right. All right, I'm going to play the left, but just to contextualize things, you can ignore it. The right hand is what we're doing right now. That's what I'm going to be talking about. That's what I'm going to narrate. So. All right, so obviously, after the first bar of nothingness in the left, we come in with an A. And that brings us into the theme. Now what's important here is that whatever the right hand is doing, okay, so let me explain it this way. If you have 2 elements in the seesaw, this and this, whatever happens in the right hand always happens in an alternating pattern with respect to the left hand. So at one moment, it coincides with the thumb, and on another moment, it coincides with the 2 and 5. And in another moment, it coincides with the thumb, And then at another moment, it coincides with the 2 and 5, right? And it's always alternating. Notice when I do it slowly, how that alternates, right? The right hand, whatever happens to the right hand, once it's with this, once it's with this. Another time with this, another time with this. You see that? So that's really important. That's where the trickiness of this whole thing comes in. Everybody's kind of expecting to play like something like that, right? But no, that's very clumsy and silly sounding. You have to have 3 elements, 3 events in the left hand with every event in the right. Right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. You see? Okay, so let's deal with what happens in the right hand just on its own so you can see the notes. We have an A down here, 2 E's, and a D, all in octave form, back to E, A, G, A. That's that main theme. And now the second part of that is 1 on E, 2 on G, 4 on B, C on 5, B on 4, and then 1 on E. Right, so one more time we have a little faster. A down here, 2 E's, D, back to E, down to 2 A's, G back to A, then single notes, E, G, B, C, B, E. All right, so learn just that so you have a good sense of how many A's, how many G's, all that kind of thing. And then let's slowly put it together. Bar of left only. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Change. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Change. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Change. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now instead of E, which is what you had before, you're going to have a G. 1, 2, 3. And everything else is the same. Change. I gotta stop somewhere, right? Okay, so you can see that you have one major phrase, which I showed you just a moment ago, and then the whole phrase repeats with a slight variation. So all of this is the same, but instead of hitting the E again, you do a G, and then you continue as usual. And the rest of it will finish on the website. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. Of course, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, take care.